Hey y'all, welcome to another video from WreckingOut.com. So we're picking up right where we left off, making the Kydex bow holder, and now we're going to make a clip that will hold our quiver on the accessory strap as well. So just like we did before, you want a 1.5 inch section, just score it and break it. And now we're going to get a 7-inch section of Kydex that's going to serve as the quiver holder. So again, you just score it and break it. If you've already made the bow holder, you'll already have this piece in the right length. And then I'm just going to use that rotary tool to taper the end. Again, you're going to want to sand this down like we did the bow holder, but we want it tapered so it slides easily into the accessory strap. So this is the strip heater we made. You're going to get about a 2-inch section of that Kydex warm enough that it can be bent into a tight bend. And then we want to mold the back of it to our quiver. So I'm heating up the tag end of the clip, and I'm going to use a piece of foam, insulated foam, to try to mold it to that back curvature. The idea here is we'll mold it and then bend it all the way up to make a tight clip, and then we can slide that curved piece that we molded into the shell of the quiver, and it's a perfect match. So the end result is a really tight fitting clip that will go right into our accessory strap. You can use the same principle to make other clips that'll go into your belt, and that's really all there is to it. Hope y'all enjoy it.